Yo, Canada is at it again. They currently have over 100 wildfires, and their smoke is drifting into the U.S., with states from Montana to Wisconsin to Nebraska being hit with a Canadian haze, which sounds like a sativa, but isn't. Meanwhile, Minnesota even issued an air quality alert. And this comes at a pretty awful time for the United States because it's currently in great distress. Right, for the first time since 1803, the 13-year and 17-year cicada will emerge at the same time this month. And they say trillions of these bugs are going to plague the U.S., with Chicagoland being the only place in the entire country to get both at the same time, which many say could be one of the worst events in American history if you overlook a lot of American history. And to add insult to injury, I just found out that they can pee up to 10 feet per second. And there's also apparently a fungus that will make them hypersexual and turn them into zombie cicadas and then make their genitals fall off. Anyway, nature's scary. Stay inside. Board up your windows, I think.